Hey there, guys. It's meteorologist Anthony J. Thanks for tuning in, giving everyone a tropical weather update. And we just have had or still have a big hurricane Gabrielle out here, but it's moving away. It stayed east of Bermuda. Very happy to report that. But we have a couple of tropical waves lurking down here. One is actually over the eastern Caribbean islands now as a tropical wave. Another one way out here, and now National Hurricane Center is highlighting these two areas now. 90% chance for that wave in the next 2 days, 70% now for the one farther west. So we're going to have our next two named storms very likely here in the next few days, and you can see the path that it's the potential path they could go in. The hurricane season names here we've got through Gabrielle, Humberto, Umbelna, the next two, and beyond that, Jerry through Lorenzo, Melissa, if we get that far. Now here is a Hurricane Gabrielle quickly. It strengthened really quickly. Late Sunday, early Monday became a Category 4, 140 miles per hour. Overachieved a little bit there. Thankfully, though, it is, again, not bothering nobody. These two waves down here, this is what we're watching closely. The first one has a high likelihood of forming in the next couple of days. As of about 10:30 Eastern time, it was just a tropical wave. That could change, though. The Hurricane Center could update it overnight. And there's that other wave off to the west. If something is trying to form, it's likely over in this area here, and it's going to track like that. And let me show you the computer models here. First, the Euro. I'm going to start this on Thursday. It has what looks like Umberto already formed there, and then it's going to form this one. Now, watch what happens with these the next couple days. Most of the models are coming into agreement now that both these systems are going to form and that they'll become hurricanes. And I'm stopping this on Sunday, late Sunday, 2 hurricanes, as this would most likely be Imelda here, perhaps over the Bahamas. So we could have a hurricane in the Bahamas as soon as late in the weekend. And then the other storm farther out to sea, most likely Umberto by that time. But it is rare that we would see 2 intense hurricanes this close together. It doesn't happen very often, but the models seem to want to show that. Beyond this is Monday. Will it affect the United States? It's totally up in the air, actually, at this point. Here's some of the latest tracks from some of the new AI weather models, and they're showing, again, that first storm, likely Humberto, moving west, northwest, northwest. Very similar to Gabrielle's track, although probably a little farther west. Southwest of Bermuda, could become a major hurricane. The next one looks like it crosses Puerto Rico and then Hispaniola, and then it survives as it gets into the Bahamas region, into this very warm water. And a lot of the models bring this to hurricane strength, even Category 2 plus is what a lot of these models are indicating. And now, actually, these have shifted to the left. We could be looking at effects of a possible hurricane or tropical storm along the southeast coast. So I wanted to tell you guys that if you live anywhere from Florida to the Carolinas, that would be next week, not before the weekend is over for sure. So we got time to watch this, and we've been lucky so far this season, but we're gonna have to see how long that goes. Here's just another depiction showing the future satellite of the two hurricane potential here from the European model. You can see how close they are spinning off the coast. That's on Monday. So it has Imelda off the coast of Florida by a couple hundred miles, and Umberto out here farther offshore. So that will definitely start to kick up the surf again if we see this at minimum effects we will see with surf, but too early to tell if we're going to have our first hurricane landfall here this hurricane season. We'll have to keep an eye on it. I'll be watching it here. And thanks for smashing a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel right there. Go ahead and do that. It's free. And I'll be posting lots more updates on weather, on news, and sports as well. And here's my Facebook page, Anthony J's USA Weather. I posted an update today. And I'll be posting updates throughout the rest of the season and the rest of the year. So thank you for listening and find me on social media. And everybody have a great week.